The following case study shows how the 120 Media Collective created an audience for the Unilever content platform Be Beautiful. This case highlights the importance of SEO intelligence applied to content to create a pull strategy. The importance of SEO, email, social media, audience targeting are just as, if not more important to content marketing, and the reason is quite simple. There are over 4.2 billion pages on the internet. Your content is just one of these billions that are out there hoping to get discovered. For this content to effectively reach your audience, you have to put the work in to increase its visibility. From its launch in 2011 and until 2013, Be Beautiful was a paid media-driven website with minimal relevance compared to bigger legacy names like Vogue and Femina in the beauty and lifestyle space. Launched by Hindustan Unilever to create a captive audience through content to promote its line of beauty, skincare and lifestyle products, Be Beautiful was less a platform that pulled audiences and more pushy product selling. This was a fundamental change that needed to be made to achieve the target set out by the 120 Media Collective, to be among the top beauty and lifestyle destinations in India. We did this through a unified editorial and audience-first strategy called Democratize Beauty. As more women were looking for attainable beauty solutions on the internet, they only found difficult and complicated answers from the legacy-backed experts. Through the strategy of Democratize Beauty, we wanted to create beauty-related content that was simple, relatable, and accessible to everyone. Democratize Beauty was a strategy that was applied in 6 directions: search, structure, product, formats, social, and email. Through search, we identified the top 200 keywords and queries that users were searching for and created content that was both customized and optimized based on the search data on our platform, which made them more discoverable. This became the engine for the content strategy with 10 plus pieces of content written daily. These content pieces were written from a fresh POV but addressed all kinds of category queries, new and old. Search trends also dictated the structure of the platform. We created dedicated sections for hair, skin and makeup and a new section called Beautypedia to explain unfamiliar beauty terms. Each section was bolstered up with widgets and individual properties to keep the users engaged. Rather than just going with the legacy brand formula of the long editorial approach, we knew that our audience engaged with more snackable formats like GIFs, short videos, and listicles, which we used to simplify the content and make it even more accessible to the user. As a platform to showcase Unilever products, we crafted the products into the content as an aid for users to achieve the looks and styles they desired, from the written content to trends and DIYs. Social media played a big role in the journey of Be Beautiful to Democratize Beauty. We created real-time exclusive events for Facebook, partnered with influencers to create content for the platform, and had exclusive live coverage of events like Lakme Fashion Week, in addition to promoting the content on our website, which created more reach for the platform and recruited newer audiences. Democratize Beauty as a strategy was furthered through subscription-based emailers, sharing customized mailers for hair, skin, makeup, fashion, and lifestyle. With specific looks and trending music playlists, we delivered the choicest content to the consumers right in their mailbox. Democratize Beauty was key to the successful turnaround of the Be Beautiful platform. In less than a year of the website revamp, we ranked third in the category, beating well-established portals like Vogue, makeupandbeauty.com, and Purple. The website visits increased from 6 million to 9 million in a span of 1 year, with 45% returning users. The social strategy helped increase engagements and saw a 22% rise of fans from 2.7 million in 2015 to 3.3 million in 2016. Through the strategy of Democratize Beauty, we successfully turned Be Beautiful into one of India's top beauty destinations with its own loyal audience. It wasn't just because of the content that we delivered these results, but the intelligence and the efforts applied to the content.